Good morning, students. Next question in the CET, 48th question. This is a multiple plate capacitor. Previously, simple case is that this B bit is a simple case. Multiple plate is called as a gang capacitor. Alternate plates are connected to the two terminals A and B, and charges are stored always on the inner surface of the plates, depending on the case you have to check out. So, to give a diagram, you connect to the battery plus and minus. If you connect to the plus, other one connect to the minus. And between the gaps, two plates, parallel capacitor contains two plates supplied by the direct breakout. So two plates forms one capacitor. If n plates are there, you take n minus one capacitor. So this is a simple case of the parallel capacitor. Multiple plate capacitor called the gang capacitor. Each capacitance is C in this case. Then C all coming in parallel becomes equal to 3C. This is a simple case of the cases. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 cases of this type of. One of them will be repeatedly coming up. Most repeatedly coming is this one. Twice I think they asked her. And this one is simple cases, but others also you just know. No need to work out in the examination again. You will just 4 words you see means putting that there is easy. I will tell you after class. Next is in this case now when you connect it to the one end positive and the next is the negative. So between the plates only for this plate charges are stored only at the inner surface. For example, you connect the plus. So inside you connect the plus. And this negative both sides will get stored here. Negative inner plate. So this B again plus, minus induces here plus. Okay, this connect to the plus side we have shown only plus only, minus we have the minus. Like this charges are stored. Here no charges, here also no charge. Electrical outside also will be zero. So in case identical capacitors taken the same gap between them, C plus C plus C. If anyone is different distance given, this is a D and this is a D1, then what it take is C1 plus C2 plus C2, these two is same. So 2C becomes plus, this is different capacitor, plus C1. C plus C plus C2 or C1 plus C1 plus C2 like that you take. Each capacitance is parallel capacitor epsilon A by D. Here I have taken as a direct breakout, so it is epsilon A by D. Each capacitance value if it is given as a C0, the resultant becomes equal to 3 times C0 in this case. What is C0 value is epsilon A by D. If different distance are given means you take different areas, different given means once they ask for the case only different distance given. Then you take all the remaining except that given distance addition plus the extra capacitance, the D different regulation. So this is a simple case. But in this 48 question they are given this diagram. Okay, two plates connected, separate. These two plates are separated from these two positive plates and negative plates. Connect these to the plus, these to the minus. We can take reverse of the resonant. So this induces the unlike charges this side. But on this plus you should have both plus on both sides. This should be neutral. So we get here minus induced. And this side, if you take this is minus, so this is minus, so you will get is plus side. This plate will have the only negative charges. This side will have the positive charges. This supposed to neutral means equal number should be required. Equal to 2, for example. This is analysis they don't ask you actually, but I just take it up. 2, here 2, 4. So you should have the 4 negative charges. 4 negative. Here extra 2 negative. Here you should have the same number of the 1, 2. 3, 4 positive means 4 negative should be required, 4 negative is over. But here again 2 negative means 2 positive, neutral. But 4 negative means again you must have the 4 positives for this. So you will have the 4 positives. Equal number of plus and minus for the neutral body. For this plate only 1, 2, 3, 4 charges in this example. If you have taken 4 charges for negative means 4 pluses required. The 4 pluses come here and these 4 pluses will be added here. Opposite to equal number should be required. 1, 2. 3, 4, this is a 4. Okay, equivalent diagram. You have to check up here. Plate 1, 2, 3, 4. Two sides will be the same, but the same attack for the two cases. For this also acting like capacitor, for this surface acting for this capacitor. So like this you have to take the relationship. You take a P. For P side two sides comes. Two sides capacitors are coming, 2 plates you have to take. And one is coming here, but these are neutral cases, not connected to the battery side. So this is not connected to the battery side. But from there, induced, this same 3 acting 2 side pulses. One is between the 2, another one is between 4. So same this plate 3. Third one is acting between the third one acting opposite to 4. Third one is acting opposite to 4. Okay, and third is also acting opposite to 2. Third is also acting opposite. Okay, just have to practice it before exam it will be easy for you. Okay, that's one case. So what the capacitor becomes is coming parallel. C plus C is 2C. 2 times epsilon A by D is this as a C0. each capacitance, and C naught is equals to epsilon naught A by D, because they will give sometimes only CC they will give you, each capacitance C naught they will give, then you are trying to C naught only. If they give options in terms of epsilon naught A by D, use that relationship. So this problem becomes, this is 2C, resultant. So CPQ equal to C naught, 2 C naught. This is coming in series into this is also C naught by 2 C naught plus C naught. C1, C2 by they are coming in series. This resultant is coming in series with the C naught identicals. So what I get is C1, C2 by C1 plus C2. This will be 1 C naught cancels, so this becomes 3. This result is 2 by 3 into C naught. That is 2 by 3 epsilon A by D. Okay. Next, this part A. This B plate connected here, but in between there is no opposite charge plate. A is connected to the positive, for example, B is connected to negative. So between these two capacitors, these two capacitor, they are coming in parallel only. So you will get 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 opposite is 2, 4, 3 opposite is 4. Result is C plus C. In C naught plus C naught, this result becomes equal to 2 C naught. C naught is epsilon naught A. Next, this one already we have discussed, this part. Here again isolated, it's not same as this because battery plates are connected inside and isolated plate is connected from outside. So between these two plates you get the charges induced. Here also charges induced. Here also unlike charge plates are there, unlike charge plates are there, so charges are induced here also. Okay, and this combination acts like a 2 series, 1 parallel. Here 2 parallel, 1 series. Reverse if it is 2 parallel, 1 series. 2 parallel, 1, 2. Between 1 and 2. 2 and 3, and 1 and 4 is isolated, that you have to check out. This 1 and 4 plates are isolated from the battery, not connected to batteries. And 2, 1 and 1 is opposed to 2, 1 is opposed to 2, 2 is connected to the battery, 2 is opposed to 3, 3 is connected to the battery, 2 is opposed to 3, 3 is connected to the battery. Next, 3 is opposed to 4, and 4 is isolated. 3 is opposed to 4, 4 is isolated, but 3 is connected to the battery. Check this. And in this case, what you get the relation of result of C, this is a series combination. Series combination means what? C1, C2 by C1 plus C2. Both are identical. Means the resultant becomes C0 by 2. Coming parallel to C0. So this is result is C0 CAB equal to C0 by 2 plus C0. This is resultant is half. Identical capacitance series becomes half. That is C0 by 2 plus C0 becomes equal to 3 C0 by 2. That is 3 by 2 into epsilon A by D is the result. Page number 26, 25. These types are there. Just go to the results. Here, next question number 49. In this question number 49, 2 parallel plates are taken. 2 plates of area same. Charge 2 plus Q, 1 plus Q2. Means charges are identical, means like charges. Maybe different values, but they are like charges. Q1 and Q2. And Q2 is greater than Q1 is given. Are brought closer to form a capacitor of capacitance C. What is the potential difference across the plates? So electric field is produced between them. That is electric field is from larger to smaller. Resultant field is from large charges to large value to smaller. Q2 is greater than Q1 they mentioned. Q2 is greater than Q1. So electric field is in this, resultant field will be in this direction. So for the sheet of charge, if you are measuring what is electric field, E equal to sheet of charge is E equal to sigma by 2 times epsilon naught. That relation we need to take. 2 plates, parallel plates. Two parallel plates have charges plus Q1, plus Q2. And Q2 is greater than Q1 mentioned. Separation of the plates. D is separation of the plates. Find the expression for capacitance. Capacitance. Find the potential difference across the plates. If this arrangement is taken as a capacitor, find the potential difference. Arrangement and as capacitor. Find potential difference V. That means in terms of capacitance, this is capacitor of capacitance C. Answer is given in terms of the C equal to V by D. Directly we can take is no. We have to take in terms of the charges also. Okay, and C symbol also required. What is the formula for basic formula for capacitance? C equal to Q by V. Okay, that formula we have to take. So here electric fields equal to sigma by 2 epsilon. This is for sheet of charge. But electric field is there because the plus and minus both are like charges. The electric field is opposite side. Net field becomes equal to E2 minus E for like charges. Net field resultant equal to E2 minus E1. Why E2 minus E1? Because E2 is greater than E1, because Q2 is greater than 2, which is equals to sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught. This is electric field equal to sigma by 2 epsilon. So this becomes equal to sigma by 2 epsilon. This becomes also equal to sigma by 2 epsilon. But sigmas are different. Sigma 2 minus sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught. Sigma is equals to Q by A. So we can write this further as sigma is equals to Q2 minus Q1 by 2 into epsilon naught A unit. E is equals to V by D. Is also equal to, supposed to be equal to V by D. That is the resultant electric field. Resultant electric field is also equal to V by V by D. We are asked to find out the expression for V from this. So what is required for us is the last step only required. What is the capacitance formula for the capacitor? Is C equal to epsilon A by D, independent of the charges. Capacitance is not related to the charges. So capacitance formula what we have is epsilon A by D. That formula I will mark as Q2 V is equals to Q2 minus Q1 by 2 into epsilon naught A by 2, right? Into this is D goes here, epsilon naught A by D. A by D. And these I can write below this also. So this can be written as Q2 minus Q1 by 2 into epsilon naught A by D. But capacitance of parallel capacitor. C equal to epsilon naught A by D. Therefore, V equal to Q2 minus Q1 by 2C is the answer. The question it mentions Q2 less than Q1. Q2 less than Q1. That means what is mentioned in the question is Q1 is greater than Q2. It's not algebraic reversal. That means Q1 is greater than means E1 is greater than E2. This one reverses. So we'll get this as Q1 minus Q2. Large minus small. In all the steps, this check up is Q1 minus Q2. This is also Q1 minus Q2. The result Q1 minus Q2. This setup which is smaller, subtract from the larger ones. Next question number 50. Of parallel plate capacitor is C. What we told is this question number 50. Capacitor parallel capacitor condenser is C. With the half space is filled with the dielectric of constant K. Already filled is there. You see empty with air, afterwards you put in dielectric now. Previous case we done like this. Here already dielectric is there. If you remove the dielectric, what happens to the capacitance? This is with air and this is with the magnet. Say with dielectric half filled. Half filled between plates. as in fill. K is dielectric constant. If slab is removed, that means dielectric removed, what is the new capacitance? K is dielectric constant. If dielectric is removed, dielectric is removed, what is new capacitance? If dielectric is removed, what is the new capacitance with A given? With A formula, what we have is epsilon A by D. That is the new value of the current. Answer with here for parallel capacitor taking CA equal to epsilon A by D. Half filled dielectric, how it is filled where the two cases series and parallel. This is a series combination. So series field means 1 by D, total D by K series is equals to D1 by K1 plus D2 by K2. Or else if you don't remember the direct formula for the analysis in series parallel, no, we take this as K1, here in this case it is K half filled. This is K2 equal to K, dielectric constant. Okay, that is series. We can imagine this as a two capacitors in series also. But this combination is 1 by C series equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So take the series combination if you have taken 1 by C series equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. C equal to epsilon A by D. What is same here in this case is area is same. Series combination area is constant. Only distance is different. So what I get relation is C series equals to epsilon naught A by D, resultant total area, is equals to, this is epsilon naught A by D1 into K. These are with the direct rate. So we replace this with as K1 plus D2 by K2 epsilon naught into A. This is the resultant K series we have to take. Common terms you cancel. So what left out is D by K series means total separation is D by K series equal to D1 by K1 plus D2 by K2 is for series combination. So this is D is the total separation. Same here. This is with air we have taken. Now with medium ion. Two dielectrics in series. One is air of course, that we substitute. This is the first case. Second case, dielectrics K1 comma K2. In series. K1 comma K2 in series, the resultant becomes 2 K1 K2 and D1 is equal to D2 we have, or else first just take D is nothing but equal to D1 plus D2. K series is resultant D by K series is equals to D1 by K1 plus D2 by K2 relationship. What is the result? From this you get only the resultant K. So C medium becomes equal to the resultant K series into C naught areas. I am just capturing this. Actually, you have to remember this K relation directly. You get it. What is D1? This D is nothing but equal to D1 plus D, total distance. But D1 is equal to D2. D by 2. So what you get this K series is directly I am writing. In this case, you get K series equals to 2 K1 K2 by K1 plus K2. This formula or this formula you have to remember. So that you can get this relation. So C medium is how much you get is with C medium plus C medium. C medium is given as a C. In the question it is given as a C. Is equals to C equal to K into epsilon A by D, but K series it is into epsilon naught A by D. What is K series formula? That value you have to write here. Which is nothing but equal to K series into this is CA. K series into CA. Take the value here. This is not required. This is extra relationship. So C with medium. is nothing but equal to C is equals to K series is 2 into K1 K2 by K1 plus K2 into CA. This CA they ask you what is this relation becomes is C medium is equals to 2 into K1 is how much is 1. K1 is 1, that is air. K2 is K. So the unit is 1 into K by 1 plus K or K plus 1 into Cl. That means C medium is nothing but equal to 2K by 1 plus K into Cl. But your asked is Cl is how much? What is Cl becomes is Ca is this value, reverse values. Ca after removing dielectric. After dielectric removed. Ca is equals to 1 plus K by 2K into C medium. C medium itself is C inverse. That you know. In this, you don't have to take all these steps, you need to remember this relationship is better. If you don't remember only, you have to take the more steps. If you remember this directly, you can calculate what is K series and you can get the expression directly. This itself is Cl. So you can go for C medium is equals to always equal to dielectric constant into Cl. So Cl is nothing but equal to C medium by K series. K series calculated and you get the expression. Same, this problem may be given. Careful with that. After inserting what happens, they will be reverse. They will give like this as C and what will be the value if you half filled. Half filled may be asked like this or sometimes they ask half filled parallel like this also may be given. This is A by 2, this is also A by 2. This is K1, this is K2 like this. So now what happens? D is same. D is same, they are coming in parallel directions. D is same, area is half A by 2, A by 2 or A by 2 conditions. Next question number 52. Two capacitors are given, C1 is 5 microfarad, C2 is 10 microfarad. Its maximum voltage for 5 microfarad is 100 volts. It is a surge voltage, not minus 100. It is a data given. Or sometimes they give it a comma also. The maximum voltage, surge voltage is 100 volts. So voltage excess means the capacitive damage in the breakdown of the dielectric. For second capacitor is 10 microfarad. So you are given two capacitors in series and maximum voltage are given 100 volts, 100 volts. No. So first capacitor C1 and its maximum voltage is 100 volts. So what is the maximum charge it will hold? Maximum charge it will hold you have to find out the Q equal to C2 formula. Q1 equal to C1 V1 from the given data. C1 is 5 microfarads into 100 volts. So 5 into 100 becomes equal to 500 microcoulombs is the charge. So 5 10 to the power minus 4 coulombs. So you can use this data or this one, that's your choice. Next C2, second capacitor, 10 microfarads, voltage is 100 volts. So charge on this we can store is C2 V2 means 10 into 100 you will get 1000 microcoulombs. This is equal to 1000 microcoulombs. So in these two we will select for this cases. So question is you are connecting the voltage across this. So maximum voltage how much you can take? Thing is that identical capacitors we have taken charges equally voltage is equally divided because they are not identical capacitors. And if they are not identical capacitors, voltages may not be equal divided. Okay. C equal to Q by V. C is equals to series combination charges are supposed to be same afterwards, not now. Initially separately given there for us, separately given. Afterwards connected in series means you have to have the same charge. Same charge that is supposed which charge you have to choose is if you take the larger charge, then that provides the more electrical between the plates and damage the dielectric. Because one can withstand to larger charge, another one is less only. Both are not able to stand to the same charges. So which one you have to prefer for the safety purpose is without damaging their condition. Without damaging it, you have to go for the safety condition. One is able to hold the bigger one, another one is able to the smaller one. Then you have to select the smaller one, not the bigger ones. Because both you are combined using them, then safety purpose choose the smaller charge. So if you take the smaller charge in series, take the smaller charge, that will be there in both the capacitors. So smaller charge, which one is smaller is Q1 is 500, Q2 is 1000 microcoulombs. So prefer the smaller charge. Q1 is less than Q2, select the smaller charge. Then you find out the equivalent capacitance. You find out the equivalent capacitance that C series you will get. C series equals to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. C1 C2 by C1 plus C2 and calculate the value 5 into 10 by 5 plus 10, the result will becomes equal to 10 by 3 into microfarads. 10 by 3 10 to the power of minus 6 farads you get. So this is the resultant capacitance. Then now we are connecting the battery to this value, so that the charges are same in both. Now we get the two capacitors which have the same charge with some extra voltage that's connected across this. This is a V maximum we can apply without damaging this two. This is C1, this is C2, but charge is same in both. Which charge you have taken is Q minimum. That Q minimum is nothing but equal to, among these given data, Q1, Q1. That is nothing but Q minimum. So Q1 only you have to take. The C series is the combination is equal to C equal to Q by V. C series equals to Q minimum by the voltage you are applying. You have to calculate how much voltage it can withstand without damaging. Then the result C series equal to Q minimum by V maximum. Q minimum is Q1 by V maximum. Such the values of this. C series is 10 by 3 microfarads. Means 10 to the power of minus 6 you can put. Here is 500 microcoulombs, 500 10 to the power of minus 6 by V maximum. So 10, 0 cancels, micro cancels. Left out is 50 into 3, 150. Cross multiplication V maximum becomes equal to 150 volts. Same problem, repeated in another place. 1 or 2 times. 56th problem. Similar problem is 113. Question number 113. Please go through the problem also. Similar case.